I cannot believe people are still using Jiffy Mix to make cornbread when it's so easy to make. Thank God for you. You have me, and I'm gonna show you how to make traditional cornbread that is super easy, delicious. You don't have to use that mixed stuff. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious moist cornbread. Started, be sure to melt your butter. Add melted butter to a large bowl. I've already mixed my dry ingredients. We'll get to it in a minute. Crack 2 whole eggs into the melted butter, followed by sugar, honey, and mix that well. I am using brown sugar for my cornbread. Feel free to use granulated sugar, white sugar, but I prefer to use brown sugar instead. After you have mixed this batter pretty nicely, go ahead and add the buttermilk. This is one of the secrets to the cornbread. And if you don't have buttermilk, I know sometimes it's not easy to find buttermilk, you can substitute that by using a cup of milk and a cup of white distilled vinegar or lime juice to get, that's a substitute for buttermilk. So now I have mixed my dry ingredients. It's the flour, corn flour, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix that well with a fork or whisk. Once you've mixed it well, transfer it to the wet batter. Mix it well. Don't over mix it because you don't want your cornbread to be stale and dry. So don't do it. Don't do it. Okay? So once you mix that, actually, when you get started, before you actually get to that point, which I should have done, I'm getting better at my videos, you should have heat up your oven to 375 in the oven, because we're gonna bake this cornbread in a skillet rather than a baking pan. So once your oven is hot, add the skillet and then let the skillet get hot. Once the skillet gets hot, like really hot, take it out. Make sure you use a glove, use the mitten. Don't just take it out like that, because that is not safe, baby. Add a tablespoon of butter to the skillet and let it melt. We're doing things a little bit traditional. So, I'm sorry. I should have said that. I'm getting better. I know. I'm sorry. So yes. So add the butter to the skillet and let it melt. And then once that happens, go ahead and transfer the batter to the skillet. If you don't have a skillet, you could use a cast iron skillet. You could use a baking pan, it's fine, but a cast iron skillet is so much better because we're doing things traditionally. And transfer the batter to the skillet and bake it on 375 for about 30 minutes or 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. And then take it out, and then you're done. And that's the cornbread. See, you don't need to buy the Jiffy Mix box thingy. You see how easy that was? Super easy, super duper easy. So bake it, and then ta-da! I promise you, this recipe is amazing. I made it and shipped it to my family because yes, I love them so much. I ship food for them when I make food. And voila, this is it. Once you bake it, you could add some more butter on top with a little bit more honey. I suggest you melt the butter, add honey, and then spread it over it, and you get a little bit more sweet in there. It's so I love corn. I'm like the corn kid. I love corn. I love eating corn just like that. I love maimule. Oh my gosh, Haitian who don't like maimule, I don't know, something is wrong with you. I just love corn. I love corn. I love corn in my soup. I love corn. I really love corn. I really do. I don't know. I hope you get the point. I hope you get it. And this is the recipe, you guys. So now you have a recipe for Thanksgiving. You know, save this recipe for this year actually, Thanksgiving this year. So you have a good cornbread to surprise your friends and family. If you like this video, as always, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. I would love to have you here. I would love to show you more that I have in stock for you. I have some amazing things coming, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm going to a new chapter in my life. I'm very excited for it, and I can't wait to share more with you guys. Subscribe to stick around, and stop buying Jiffy mixed cornbread. Make this, save this. It's easy. You see, it's easy, baby, easy. And as always, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you can, please subscribe to my recipe website for my written recipes. I would totally appreciate you. This helps me so much. And of course, again, thank you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much.